Hey guys, it's Rocky Mountain Backcountry right here. Woo! One of my favorite places to be on the whole world. So this is going to be a start to a new playlist. This is going to be part of our fishing trip. Justin's got the bug net on already.
You guys remember the video last time we came here?
Yeah.
Came prepared this time.
There was mosquitoes galore.
Yep.
Anyway, hey, hang out with us. We're going to do a little hook and cook and catch some fish and then cook them. I guess that's what a hook and cook is.
Yep.
So Rocky Mountain Backcountry right here. Hang out with us. Let's go do some fishing. Oh, did you see him? Did you see that fish? He was right at you. He was right on you.
Oh, yeah? I think this is your spot, man.
You guys hear that thunder? That's Rocky Mountain Backcountry. We just had to jump in the truck, wait out a little bit of a rainstorm, but we're back at it now, so let's go see what we can do. There's some pretty decent fish, 10 to 12 inches in here. If you get lucky, you can find one that's 13 or 14 inches. But this is a little spot that I just absolutely love to be. So Justin's fishing upstream a little bit. I came back down to where, right down there where we started. And I'm gonna fish up through here, so. Didn't even know he was there. Little tiny brookie. All right, here you go, guys. Oh. Whew. How about that? Oh, there it goes. All right, let's go up here through the trees just a little bit. Through the willows. You guys see that spot right down there? Ooh, look at that. You guys see that right through there? I don't know if you can or not. That's where we're going. Oh, you guys look. Whew, look at that. Other than the mosquitoes here. I think I'm gonna want that mosquito net. Whew. All right, let's see what happens. All right. Whew, mosquitoes. Let's work right in here up under this bush. Whew, I'm ready for that bug net right now. Ooh, can you guys see all these mosquitoes? What do you guys think of that? Turn around. It's mosquito nets.
So many bugs.
It's ridiculous.
It's nuts.
Been doing a little catching. Get some?
Yeah. I got like 4. So
I
far.
caught 4 or 5 down there and got some good ones on video, so
Nothing big, but
hopefully it turns out. We're gonna go right up here in front of us. Hopefully we can catch a couple of good sized ones that we can fry up with some bacon. All right, so if you guys fish some of these smaller mountain streams, you know that the fish get pretty spooky. So you'll see most of the time when I'm doing this, I like to crouch down really low so I don't spook anything. You'll see me crouch, that's why you're looking at the ground right now. But I got some fish rolling right here in front of me. We can play around we can play around right here for quite a while. That one's not going to do us any good for supper. Look at that. Man, that cute little sucker. That fly was about as big as him. Oh, you guys saw that? That was cool. See if we can get him to come back. Another little baby one. Oh my gosh, you guys. Is there anything prettier than that? Holy moly. Here's a good one. Let's see what it brings in. Oh, there he is, you guys. We're looking for your big brother, dude. Or your daddy, one or the other. The sun came out and it changed the game. So, as with any fishing trip, they're unpredictable, right? So a little bit ago, probably half an hour, 45 minutes ago, we were just catching left and right. But right now, that right there is one of the best holes. And I'm sure if we had some different flies or whatever, that hole should be lit up right now with fish rolling in it. I've never seen that water as still as it is right now. So anyway, you just never know. But does it get any prettier?
Nope, we're out here. What counts?
My goodness, you guys, look at this. Woo! Love it. We'll wait a few more minutes. They'll start biting again. The dry spell just ended. And you guys didn't see that. Dang it. Oh, there he is. Oh, this is a good one right here. He's fighting hard. Well, maybe he's not a good one. He just liked to fight. Oh, it's because it caught him. Look at that, you guys. It caught him on the... caught him. Caught him under the gills. Put him away, little brookie. There's a couple good fish in here. They've hit my fly a couple of times. And haven't been able to capitalize on the good ones. So right there, there's a good one. And he's rolled at it a couple of times. But he hasn't taken it. There he goes. Did you guys see that? He wanted that one pretty bad. Oh, there he was again. See if we can draw him out of there this time. He hit it twice in a row right there. Oh, I don't know if you guys could see that. Hopefully that showed up on the camera. That was really cool. Right back in that little cove right there. Just like that. See that fish in there? Oh, wait, there he went. Oh, that was fun. Oh, that was good. I love those little native brookies. Beautiful fish. Let's pull another one out. See if he had a buddy back in there. Oh, he does. There he is. Oh, we got him. Oh, he feels like a good one. Another good one. Oh. Oh. Ouch. We're getting to the cooking part now. So we've hooked several. Now we're going to cook them. Got some bacon going on there. You guys have heard of a Firebox stove? Check that out. 10 bucks. Home Depot. So maybe I'll do a tutorial on that thing. That's pretty cool, huh? This little cooker there. Just keep feeding sticks into it. And, been seeing some of those online. They're kind of expensive. They maybe put a little bit more engineering into them, but anyway, we're having some fish on the homemade Firebox. 10 bucks, you guys. Right on. Hey, so Justin just made a good point. If we would have caught any bigger fish, we wouldn't have been able to cook them. How about that? Just slop those fish right down there on top of the bacon. Let them cook up. Oh, see how they're curling like that? That's fresh, boys. Fresh fish. Sun's gone down. The moon's coming up. Oh, well, anyway, smoke's keeping the mosquitoes away, but I don't know if you can see that. Hey guys, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. And like this video, subscribe to us. This is going to be the first of our fishing series. And who knows where this is going to take us. But hey, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. We're going to turn this off and have a little fish before it gets too dark to walk out of here.